Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to return an order on Amazon using your computer or laptop. Whether the item arrived damaged, didn't meet your expectation, or you just changed your mind, this step-by-step guide will make it easy. Alright, first step. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you used to place the order. You'll know you're signed in if your name appears in the top right corner. Next, click on Return and Orders at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a list of all your recent purchases. Now scroll through your orders and find the item that you want to return. Right under each item, Amazon will show you whether it's still eligible for return. In most cases, you have 30 days from the delivery date to return an item, but this can vary depending on the product category and seller. If the item is eligible, you'll see a button that says Return or Replace Item. If the button doesn't appear, it usually means the return window has closed or the item isn't eligible for return, like grocery or digital content. If your item is eligible for return, go ahead and click Return. Now Amazon will ask you why you're returning the item. Click the drop down and select the reason that best fits your situation. Some common options are no longer needed, product arrived damaged, item doesn't match the description, received wrong item. You can also write an optional comment to give more details. Depending on the item and the reason you selected, Amazon may offer a refund or replacement or both. Choose what works best for you and click Continue. Now you can either contact the manufacturer or click Refund to your Visa and press Continue. Now it's time to select how you want to return the item. Options can include drop-offs at different locations. Some return options are even label-free or box-free, which makes the process even easier. If you've chosen a method which requires a shipping label, Amazon will give you a PDF. Download it, print it, and attach it to your return package. Make sure to pack the item securely, preferably the original packaging. Once you have picked your return method, press Confirm your return. Now Amazon will show you your return summary. Finally, take your package to the return location you selected. Once Amazon receives and processes your return will be issued. You'll usually get an email confirmation, and refunds typically show up within few business days. That's how you return an Amazon package using website. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. If this video helped you, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.